Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 22. I hope you guys have finished everything else in the prior topics as well as the previous one, which included the balcony and the railing. Now we'll be creating an exterior facade for this portion. For this, I will be making a rectangle on top of our surface over here and all the way from here over here as well, and one rectangle on top like this. Once I'm done with this much, I'll make another rectangle over here as well as over here. So I can easily select this portion and delete off. Again, select this portion and delete off. Once I'm done with this, we can easily provide pulls to this of 0.3, similarly to this of 0.3, and similarly to this portion down of 0.3. After I'm done with this much, I can pull this out till here, and we can push both of these all the way down to create an opening and erase these lines off. And that was quite simple. Well, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be drawing a line over here and over here. Similarly, a line over here and over here, and taking offsets of 0.2 as well as over here and over here. Similarly, 0.2 offsets in these areas. Now, because we have taken an offset, we can easily push this inside 0.15 over here and over here as well. Similarly here and here and here. Well, wasn't that easy? And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be creating a ceiling over here. So I will be taking an offset of 0.5 over here and pushing this inside to 0.2. So we'll be having something like this. For furthermore, we can push this all the way up till here to create an opening. Now once I'm done with this much, guys, I'll do 1, 2 and 3. That's 3 clicks selecting my entire exterior facade, right click and make it into a group. After that, I can easily make a rectangle on top of this as this is done. And we can make a cross sign over here like this. You can even work from up to make it much easier. And now taking offsets inside of 0.3, similarly over here. Take a line here and a line here as well. Now we can take offsets inside of 0.3, similarly over here and over here and over here. And we can erase this portion. Now once I'm done with this much, guys, I'm going to give a thickness to this below of just 0.1. And now easily select my bucket tool and provide metal to this entire portion, or even wood, depending on how do you want it to look. And I can select glass and place glass over here, something like this. Well guys, this would be the opening on the top over here, and you can see that this is something I would do to create my facade. You guys can go ahead and try so many more techniques to create facade, but this is just the one way that we can do this. Now selecting this facade and holding Ctrl, I can give 1, 2 and 3 clicks to select this open portion on top and make it into a group. And once I'm done with this much, we can easily go ahead and select this whole portion over here, right click and make it into a group. As you guys can see, I've completed our bungalow, and I hope you guys are on the same page, or at least you guys have understood how to create this entire bungalow with the basic interiors as well as the exteriors and the facade. For the last thing, we're going to be bringing our entire bungalow on top of the site and developing it. So let's see how do we do that in the next topic. Take care.